This 1997 Ford Windstar Cargo van is brought to you by Toyota Brothers Company, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Ford is powered by front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, V6 engine, and has 1,230 kilometers. 1997 Ford Windstar Cargo van, reliable used vehicle with spacious storage, perfect for business or bulky transport needs. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.